Have you ever wondered why some people seem to manifest their dreams effortlessly, while others struggle? The secret is understanding how manifestation truly works. In today's video, I'll guide you through the 3 steps to manifestation, reveal the 4 ways people commonly manifest, show you how to master manifestation to master your life, and help you start living life on your terms. Plus, don't forget to download your free ebook to deepen your practice and make these techniques even more powerful. Thank you for being here. My name is Sana and I'm with Vibration Mentor, where we support our clients in having a joyous journey in life no matter what is happening around them, so they can manifest the life they choose. Let's get started. Welcome back, and now let's dive into step 1 of conscious light manifestation, the ask. What is asking? So asking is the first step in conscious light manifestation. It's more than speaking desires aloud. It's about feeling and creating with intention. Think of asking as planting the seeds of your desires. I remember for me, it wasn't until I was in my late 20s when anybody ever even asked me what I wanted. And I remember I just broke down in tears because I had no answer. I didn't know what I wanted. Nobody had ever asked me that. I didn't know how to clearly dream or ask or say, this is what I want. This is the kind of life I want to achieve. Why asking can be difficult? For a lot of people, they don't know how to ask for what they want. And that can be a result of growing up in a way that you weren't necessarily told to think about what you wanted. A lot of people don't know how to ask. They don't know how to ask for love, affection. They don't know how to ask for a raise. They don't know how to ask for what is fair to them, what is owed to them. A lot of people just don't know how to ask in general and are timid to say, I want this, I want that. If you step back and think about it, what does it feel like to ask for you? Are you comfortable asking? Are you comfortable always asking for what you want, saying what you want? Are you just comfortable knowing what it is that you want? This is actually something difficult for many people. This is not an easy thing to do. Most people, because they live such stressful, difficult lives sometimes, and they're always in a rush, they don't always have enough time, don't get the chance to just step back and have calm and peace of mind so they can think, what actually do I want? What will actually make me happy? And the things that I'm asking for, why am I asking for them? Is it something my parents told me I should want? Is it something society says I should want this? It should make me happy? Is it something that I've given power to other people to tell me what I want versus really asking for what do I want? What makes me happy? What is my goal? What is it that I want to experience in my life for me, and not because someone else says that it is right for me? I had to explain the asking to know that everything you ask for is answered instantly in an energetic sense. And for it to actually come about in 3D reality, that energy has to be compressed. And when I say 3D reality, that's in material things, that's in experiences. Basically, it's what we as humans experience is our 3D reality. And so for that to come about, for those manifestations to come together from vibration, enough energy has to be compressed to bring that about. So by having a very clear ask and really focusing on asks that truly bring you high vibrational outputs and high vibrational desires, you truly will get to a place where more and more it will become easier and easier to ask and easier to manifest and receive. So think of asking as creating. Asking is like drawing the blueprint of your future. So it is imperative that you really understand where it is that you are asking from. It's a way of telling the universe, this is what I choose. Believe in your right to dream, ask and receive. Give yourself permission to imagine freely, without limits. Make sure you take time to just be fully free, fully open to whatever it is that you want to create. Let your heart guide you, what excites you and what inspires you. This is really about you and only you, not about anyone else, what anybody else needs and asks for. This is all about you. And ask from a place of love and joy, not from fear or scarcity. Think of this as, if I could start all over and have nothing to worry about right now, what is it that I do want? What would I want? What would I ask for? What would I experience? Where would I go? How would my life look like? Trust that you are already complete, that your desires will enhance your life, that everything you ask for is always answered immediately. Especially the more and more intense the focus is, the more intense the feeling. Not only will it come quicker, but it is answered right away in an energetic form. So oftentimes, a lot of people come to me and say, well, I don't know what I want, or I want this, or I want to just sell my house, I want to clear the energy around that, or I just want this relationship, I want to clear the energy around that. But oftentimes they already are feeling miserable. Their journey is already in low vibration, in a negative state. So I tell them, okay, well, if you stay on this path, you will get what you want, but you won't be happy when you get it. Is that what you really want? Why not make this a joyous journey? That's always my ask. Why not make this a happy, joyous journey? Because you're going to achieve it all anyway. You're going to achieve the desire. So why not have powerfully high vibrations that also bring in incredible good luck, serendipitous experiences, and so much joy in everything that you're doing? So most people do have a very hard time asking for what they want. Most people do have a very difficult time articulating that. This is not an easy exercise. Know that learning to ask and learning to identify what the ask is and asking from a place of high vibration is not something that is taught. This isn't something that most people find easy to do. So take your time, be easy on yourself, and maybe start with something small. Sometimes also, if you don't know exactly what it is that you want to ask, you're not very clear on what it is that you want, let's start with one. How do I want to feel? Maybe I don't know what kind of relationships I want. I don't know what kind of career I want. I don't know what I want to do or where I want to live. And that's okay. That's all okay. But you do know how you want to feel. You know that when you wake up in the morning, you want to feel alive and thriving. You know that you want to feel secure. You want to feel that you belong. You want to have a sense of safety. You want to feel open and unafraid to do whatever it is that you want. You want to feel maybe more joyous. Some people want to feel happy and giddy, and some people want to just enjoy tranquility, a life of calm and tranquility. What I'm asking you to do is make sure that when you focus on these asks, focus on these exercises, ask first, what do I want to feel? Because if you know that, start there. And then the ask can be to whoever it is that you, whether it is a creator, a God, the law of attraction, the universe, it doesn't matter. Then ask for, please show me how I can get experiences, how I can get a career that makes me feel like this. How can I get relationships that make me feel like this? And that can be the ask. And that's such a beautiful, powerful way because the ultimate goal in any of those things anyway is to feel a certain way. By asking and being very articulate in what it is that you want to feel, what it is that you want to experience in your being, in your vibration, in your 3D reality, that can be the starting point. Don't beat yourself up if you don't exactly know a specific ask. Some people do know. They know that they really want a specific type of home. They really want to live in a specific type of place. They're trying to create a specific type of community because they've already know that this will make them feel a certain way. So start with the feeling and then slowly ask to be shown, what is it that will make me feel this way? Where are you living? What kind of work are you doing? What gifts are you sharing with the world? What does it look like? How do you feel? How do you express yourself? How does the world look like to you? That's a beautiful way to start if you don't have a plan. So, me personally, I think that is the best way to start because you're truly starting from a place of high vibration because you're focused on what is it that I want to feel first and foremost, and then let's work backwards from that. That will ensure that the law of attraction puts in place all of the cooperative components together to bring you that end result, and in ways you've never imagined. I've seen that happen time and time again, where by just focusing on the experience of how they want to feel, people have been able to manifest incredible relationships, jobs, outcomes that exceed all of their expectations. And that is what I wish for everyone. And the beauty is that all of it will look different to everyone else, so that by wanting to be healthy in your body, by wanting to feel strong, by wanting to be happy in your relationships, in your work, it all looks different to everyone else because we live in a universe that is full of abundance and everybody has different gifts, different things to share. You will find your incredible joyous journey that will lead you to unbelievable results. So enjoy this task. Have fun asking, relax. Know that this is something we're going to be doing over and over again in our lives. And the more you hone it, the more time passes, the more you're able to clarify what you want. So when it comes to manifestation, a lot of people will complain, well, it takes so long to manifest what I want. Why is it taking so long? That is because you're given a chance to hone your ask. You're given a chance to know more of what you want. And that's so beautiful and so powerful. And as I look back and think about how things took longer to come together or things took, a different turn, I'm so grateful because the outcome is much better than what I had initially asked for. I'm so grateful for that time delay because it was a gift to make sure I was very certain about what I wanted. And I embrace that now. And I enjoy the journey overall. Thank you for watching this incredibly powerful video on asking. Enjoy the process of asking and know that this step is critical and so important to do it from a place of high vibration so that you can start your journey on a happy note, on a high vibration note, enjoy the journey throughout, and then have an end result that truly is high vibration. Please go to chapter 2 of your ebook and workbook, and here are the exercises to complete. We want clarity on desires. We want to focus on clearing negative practices and then setting your goals. Please go through and play with these exercises. Thank you for watching the module on the ask. Let me know what you think because I know for me asking, like I said in the module, was always very hard initially, but over time it gets easier and easier. And it's so powerful to be able to ask from a place of high vibration and from a very clear way that's aligned with who you are. So if you have any questions, need any more suggestions, please reach out. We can help support you in any way. But hopefully this gives you a foundation to start to
play with the asking and how to ask from a place of high vibration. So next we're going to cover the middle step. So this is how to align and be a powerful cooperative component. This is the longest module in the series because this is the joyous journey. Of course, it's easy to be excited at the beginning of something. It's easy to be excited at the end when you receive what you want or the achievement or the completion. But the middle step is always what isn't really talked about, but this is the most important. This is the joyous journey. And I'm going to cover 3 different key areas or key things you can do, 3 methods that can help you so you can really have an incredible joyous journey, and how to really embody what you want and attract what you want. So hopefully you can get excited, and apologize that this is a longer module, I know, but this is probably the most important thing. This is what I focus on the most in my life and other people's lives. It's really a powerful way to live. So I hope you enjoy it and really get a lot out of it. So anyway, have a wonderful time watching this. And if you have any questions, please let us know, let me know. And we're here to support you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more insights on manifestation, mindfulness, and personal growth. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Drop a comment with your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next one.